Welcome to my IBISWorld. If you need to be able to charge back internally, we have updated the way you can do this. This video will show you what this process will look like on our updated website. To locate a report, your users can use the search box to find the report most relevant to them. Let's look up domestic airlines. The user can be sure they are in the correct place by reading the industry definition. To access the entire report, the user will need to click Open on Report Preview mode. Here, you can see the price of this report. You'll also find a field to enter the project code and a message that will be sent to the administrator of the account. An example message could be needed for market sizing. The user is prompted to confirm their details and submit their request. The request will be sent to the admin to approve. Please note, in this example, we are logged in as an admin, so it is automatically accessible. As the admin of the account, you can quickly access all the open reports and requests from within your account settings page. Clicking on Open Reports and Requests, you can easily review the requests that are pending, as well as the team's open reports and denied reports. This is just a quick tutorial. However, if you have any questions, please reach out to your client relationship manager.